There's something about having a roof over our heads, even when we're outside. Enclosure makes us feel safe, but I also love the feeling of entering a secret or magical place.
The pros know that every garden needs an outdoor room. Landscape designers find ways to break up expanses of lawn and give purpose to different spaces in the garden.
Perimeters can be crafted with plant material or with structures like arches, arbors, pergolas, and gazebos. In smaller spaces, hanging vines, strings of lights, tents, or sails can be fashioned to create the same sense of intimacy.
Whether it's shelter from the hot summer sun
or a secluded place to escape to with your iPad or a book.
Try creating an outdoor room this year. There's more to learn and be inspired by at CanadaBlooms.com. Here's hoping we will see you next year at the 26th Annual Flower and Garden Festival.
Until then, we invite all of you to make Canada bloom right in your own garden. Share photos of your garden online with the hashtag CanadaBlooms.
Happy gardening, everyone!